Hey, this is Aunt Sandy's Kitchen. Today we are going to be making street corn pasta salad. You can use it as a side, you can use it as a dip. First you boil your pasta. I've got the shell pasta, little shells. I had 8 ounces of that. And then I took 5 ears of corn, shucked it, washed it, and you just grill it 2 minutes on each side until they're charred, and then you let it cool. I took my corn cob and I put it here and I cut it off, and this is the result. So we'll start off with 2 jalapenos peppers, and all I did was just slice them, took all the seeds and the membrane out, and that's what you have. We'll put that on there. I took some cherry tomatoes, a cup, and sliced them. And we'll put them on the side there. I'm going to save a few for garnish. And then I've got about 3-4 green onions, scallions, that I chopped, the white and the green. We'll put that in there. I'll save a little bit for garnish. Here's some of the green stuff. Put a little bit of that in there. We're not going to use it all. And then I got 1/4 of a cup of cilantro. And we're going to put that in there. And we'll save a little bit for garnish. I'm going to add a cup of cotija cheese, and I crumbled it up because it comes in a block, so it would go in there. And then I'm going to add the corn. And now I'm going to make the sauce. I got my bowl. Got a 1/2 cup of sour cream. Then I got a 1/2 cup of mayonnaise. Then I got 2 teaspoons of chili powder. 1. And 2 teaspoons of Mexican hot sauce. Dash of salt because that cheese is very salty. And I've got 1/4 cup of lime juice squeezed. Just mix it up really good. See, it's not too thick, but it's not too thin. I'm going to mix everything in the bowl up. It does make a lot. It's going to be good. This will be a good picnic, take to somebody's house, or very colorful. All those greens and reds and white. Very pretty salad. Now I'm going to add the sauce. I'm going to mix it all together. Now I'm going to put it into a serving bowl, if I can get it in there. I'll put it in here, and I'm going to garnish it with a little bit of that charred, grilled corn, and a little bit of tomatoes, and a little bit of green onions, a little bit of cilantro, and a little bit of the cheese. Doesn't that look wonderful? Oh my goodness, this is going to be a wonderful dish to take anywhere. You can have it when you're grilling stuff this summer or anytime. It's fresh ingredients. So I hope you try this. It's delicious. And just try a little bit here on the side. It's good. You got the corn, the crunch of the corn. You got the bite of the jalapenos and those tomatoes and the sauce, and get the crunch of the green onion. But it's nothing's overpowered by anything. Down in the comments, tell me what your favorite summer salad is. Down in the description is the recipe and the link to get a printable one too. There is a link in the description to check out my Etsy store for Aunt Sandy's merchandise, as well as any affiliate links that I may have. Thank you for watching my videos. And as always, God bless.